English ma'am, Neelam Singh ma'am. Today, how are you feeling today? I hope you are well. So children, now it is time to do some study. So I will teach you a very interesting poem which you will surely like, that is Where Do All the Teachers Go by Peter Dickson. Children, there is always a curiosity in the mind of the children कि what their teachers do at home. बच्चे के दिमाग में हमेशा होता है कि he should know about his teacher, कि वो टीचर के बारे में जानने की उसकी हमेशा बहुत इच्छा रहती है, because the teacher is very special for the children. They love their teacher, so they want to know what the teachers do when they go from school to home, whether they do what they do at home or whether they do something different. वे ये जानना चाहते हैं कि टीचर वही करता है स्कूल से जब घर जाता है जो वो करते हैं या वो कुछ और करते हैं. So very nice and interesting poem, Where Do All the Teachers Go. Now I am reading the lines, and after reading the lines I will give the explanation of the poem. So first of all, let me read the lines. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses? And do they wash their socks? Do they wear pajamas, or do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? Do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children, and were they ever bad? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner? Were they punished in the corner if they pitched the chocolate flakes? Now the last part of the poem, that is, did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear old dirty jeans? I will follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. Then I will put it in a poem that they can read to you. So this is the poem, which is from Peter Dickson. So I am giving you the explanation of the lines now, and in the end I will tell you what is the summary of the poem, what is the thing which is said by the poet in this poem. So in the very first line he says, there is a question in the mind of the child. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? He wants to know when the school is over, where the teacher goes. Do they live in houses? क्या वो घर में रहते हैं? Or do they wash their socks? Do they clean their socks? Do they wear pajamas at home? Or do they watch TV as we do? We also go home from school to home and watch TV for some time. So he wants to know whether teacher also watches the TV. And do they pick their noses, and same as you and me? क्या वो भी अपनी नाक में clean their nose with their little finger as they do? क्या वो भी अपनी छोटी उंगली से अपनी नाक साफ करते हैं जैसे वो करते हैं? So these are some interesting questions which are in the mind of the child. Now in the next lines, children, he wants to know that whether the teacher lives all alone at home or he stays with somebody. क्या वो घर में अकेला है या किसी, whether he has some members also. He lives in a joint family with other members or all alone. Do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children, and were they ever bad? He wants to know whether he lives with his mum and dad as they live, and were they ever children, and as a child whether they were very naughty. Bad here means naughty. क्या वो भी शरारती थे? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? क्या उन्होंने भी कभी गलती करी जैसे वो करते हैं? So were they punished in the corner if they pitched the flake? क्या उनको भी क्लास में चॉकलेट खाने पर उनको भी क्या सज़ा मिलती थी? When they used to eat sweets in the class, whether they were punished or not, as he was punished, they are punished in the class, whether they are also punished for eating chocolate flakes in the class. Now in the last lines, children, did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktop? Did they wear old dirty jeans? Did they ever lose their hymn books? क्या वो कभी अपनी जो भजन की किताब है, did they ever lose it? क्या उसको उन्होंने कभी खोया? Did they ever leave? क्या did they spread their cooked green vegetables on the floor? क्या वो हरी सब्जियों को इधर उधर फैला देते थे, फैलाते हैं जैसे वो फैलाते हैं? Do they scrawl? Do they write? It is a habit of the child to write, to scribble on the desk. आपने देखा होगा आपके डेस्क के ऊपर बच्चे खोद के पेंसिल से या किसी चीज़ से कुछ लिखते रहते हैं. So the child wants to know, did they scribble on the desktops? क्या वो भी डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर they also write something on the desk as they do? Did they wear all dirty jeans? क्या वो भी हमेशा dirty jeans पहने रखते हैं? As a child does not want to clean his jeans, they always like to wear dirty jeans. I will follow one back home today. So the child got so curious, child got so anxious to know. He said that today I will surely know what is the secret or what does the teacher do at home. आज मैं उनके पीछे जाऊँगा और पता करूँगा कि वो क्या करते हैं. I will find out what they do. मैं पता लगा के रहूँगा. I will find out what they do at home. Then I will put it in a poem. Then I will write all these things in a poem. They can read to you and they will read it to you. When I have written this poem, they will themselves read the poem to you. The teacher will themselves, I will write the poem about them and they will read that poem to you and tell you about themselves in the poem. What is written in the poem, they will tell themselves. So I will write and they will read it to you and you will come to know what the teacher does at home. So this is the poem, children. Very short and sweet poem and easy poem for you. I hope you also want to know, and there are also many questions in your mind about your teacher, that what the teacher does when they go from school to home, whether they also behave in the manner the school child behaves, or is their life different from the student's life or the child's life. So now let us see what is in the, if we shortly describe this poem in one paragraph. So the paragraph will be like this, children. For a little child, his or her teacher is special, not an ordinary person. For a student, teacher is not an ordinary person. साधारण नहीं होती. She is a special person for him or her. So he wonders where the teachers go after the school hours. So there is a big curiosity in the mind of the child कि where do the teacher do after the school hours. स्कूल से जाने के बाद टीचर क्या करते हैं? This he wants to know. Every child wants to know. He wants to know if they live in houses and also wash their clothes. He wonders if they feel relaxed at home, whether they relax at home as they do. They wear pajamas and watch TV like them. He is also eager to know, so इच्छुक है बहुत ज़्यादा जानने को, if the teachers have their parents at home. Do they live with their parents or all alone? And if they too were naughty at school, did they do some things which were naughty in the school? Spell the words wrongly. क्या उन्होंने कभी कोई spelling गलत बोला? Did they eat chocolate in the class and were told to stand in the corner as a punishment? And were they given punishment for eating chocolate and sweets? So the child compares his own habits with those of the teachers in their childhood. So in this poem, the poet has shown that the child is comparing his habits with the habits of the teacher. That when they were child, what they used to do. They too must have lost their prayer book. वो भी कभी कभी अपनी पूजा की किताब खो देते होंगे. They must be also wearing dirty jeans like them. And they must be also writing something on the desktop with a very sharp pen or pencil, like their name or something, some joke. The child plans to follow his teacher to find out. Now the child has decided he will go after the teacher and find out what the teacher does at home. कि वो घर में क्या करता है. He will then record, then he will write everything what he finds out in a poem, and the teacher will read the poem to other children as a fun. And he will give that written part to the teacher, and the teacher will read in the class just for fun's sake, just to make the students laugh, that what we do, what the teachers do at home, and what is written in the poem will be told to the children as a joke. So the children will enjoy when they will come to know what the teacher do, what does the teacher do when they go from school to home. So this is the poem, Where do all the teachers go, by Peter Dixon. Now the question answers I am just giving you first of all you go through listen to this video carefully, go through the lines of the poem, try to write this The first homework is to write this summary from the video in your copies, and then I will give you the question answers of the poem just now. Thank you children, thank you very much. I hope the poem is clear to you. If anything is not clear in this video, when you listen to this video, you can just ask me and give a ring to me, or you can give a message in the group that this thing is not clear to me. So this is your poem, Where Do All the Teachers Go? Thank you children, thank you very much. I am just now giving you the question answers in your group.